what is text call quick responses, and I will demo or demonstrate how you can use it on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, to get to this text call quick responses page so that you can add or edit the text, you go back to the home screen and open up the phone application. Here we tap on the menu key and tap on settings. Next, tap on text call. Then we scroll down and tap on quick responses. In here you can add in a preset quick response. Okay, I'll put in some sample text and then tap on saved. Okay, so we have set a number of different quick response presets. So now if you receive an incoming call, here I will choose call assist, then tap on call screening, and here we got the text call.
I'm a call assistant recording this call for the person you're trying to reach. Please say why you're calling.
Now after the call screening prompt, here we got the text call. If you tap on that, you'll be able to use a preset message.
Hello T, I am here. I am driving now. Is this urgent? I can't tell right now. I'll call you back later.
Okay, so that's how you can use the quick responses from text call, which is part of the call assist for your phone app. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. So what it actually is when you use text call, it's the Samsung version of call screening. Your phone will answer the call for you. It converts the caller's speech to text, and it lets you reply by typing or tapping on the preset replies, and those preset replies are quick responses. And that's it. Thank you for watching.